Hello students, welcome to my class. It is your history class and again I have come with the explanation. Last week we have discussed 20th century Euro and along with we have discussed the Russia, the Tsarist rule of Russia. So today we will discuss the road to socialism. The first self-employed Russian Workers' Committee. The first self-employed Russian Marxist revolutionary group was created in Switzerland in the year 1883. It was called itself the Group of Liberation of Labor. For the workers, the group was founded. Russia was the autocratic state with political freedom, no politically consciousness among the middle class. Only a tiny underdeveloped working class, those named and better known as proletariat, they had emerged through the year 1890s period. The Russian labor were forced to grew in size and strength. A number of worker organizations sprang up. Marxist discussion circle conducted agitation and helped the organize strikes in the major industrial classes. That time, among the workers, there was the sense of politically consciousness and the sense of to grow togetherness through Karl Marx theory. It was grew up among the workers and they felt that there was the need to grow the industrial area as well as their circumstances and conditions should be well. The Marxist, along with the forerunner of the Communist Party of Soviet Union, the workers decided to grow up with an organization. It was during the period of Russian ardent believer socialism, better known as Lenin, as the leader of Bolshevik. The first Russian organization of workers known as Russian Social Democratic Labour Party. The short form of this party is RSDRP. So, through the Bolshevik, Lenin wanted to establish the Russian Socialist Worker Committee in 1917. He also wanted to prepare to control of the Soviets, the Council of Workers, formed all over the country. He also wanted them to do everything in their power to prepare for the coming socialist development and also the Russian Revolution. At the night of 6th November 1917, under the leadership of Lenin, the Bolshevik seized the key point of the Petrograd in the name of the Soviet. 7th November morning, the city awake to find the Bolshevik in control of a new national government with Lenin as their head. A socialist form of government was established in Russia, and thus the Bolshevik party, the Bolshevik organization, and Lenin as their head, they established their rule in Russia. The next topic is Narodnik movement. You can have in your book, you can see and check in your textbook that Narodnik movement is very important political movement of Russia that gained the prominent Tsarist Russia rule in Russia, known as Narodnik movement. In Russian language, Narod means people. Of course, in 19th century, Russia, Narod means the peasantry, and then the people has changed in the form of peasantry and those working class. So they are peasantry rather than a common people. One who sought to help the peasantry take a road to revolutionary struggle for just a happy life was Narodnik. Hence their movement was Narodnik movement. And then we will start the Russian Revolution in my next video. Till that, that's all for today. Stay safe and stay healthy.